Good morning, everyone. It's Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. Today is Tuesday, June 9th, and we're about an hour into the trading session. This is the 5-minute chart of the Micro E-mini, MESM 2020. And by the way, the rollover date is on the 11th for all of those of you who are aware that the rollover date is coming up. I've been watching the action of the market. It closed down significantly from yesterday's close. It opened rather down significantly from yesterday's close. And right now the market is basically trading in a relatively narrow range, about a 15-16 point range from the open right here. The open was right over here, and we're just in that range, vacillating around. Let me show you the one-day chart. I'm going to show you the S&P, the one-day chart. We gapped down at the open, and the market is trying to recover. The Dow is down about 275 points right now, but it's a difficult market to trade. There's no clear trend being established here. I mean, we could trade the stochastics bounces up and down, but it's not really a market to trade because there's no trend being established. So we'll look for a trend and we'll wait. As you know, if you've taken my course, I always tell my students that the best place to be in the market is out of the market on the sideline. So just going to wait, see if I can pick up a few points here, but then again, there's no reason to risk anything. No trend to jump up on. If you want to trade minute by minute, you can certainly do that, but it's a tough market to call if you're going to do that, and probably not worth the aggravation. And I'm just going to put this on hold until I see something, and then I'll come back to you. If you've been trading the S&P market for a while, the E-mini or the Micro E-mini, you know that there are typically 2 moves in a day's trading session, and there hasn't been any moves really established in today's session. And it could be that some days the moves are so erratic that it's not worth trading them. And right now it's not worth trading this market. Also, that if you were to take a trade in this market, either long or short, it would be a total guess. So, I mean, why guess? You want to put the risk down to as close to zero as possible, which of course is impossible in any trading activity, but you want to try to lower your risk as much as possible, which is to say you want to find a trend that's establishing itself and hop on for the ride, because that's the safest way to trade. There's no trend being established here. You can't trade this market with any assurance that you're going to be right any more than you're going to be wrong. So don't trade it. Okay, it's about 11 o'clock, and I caught this momentum move over here. Went in and out a couple of times, but I did manage to catch it. Again, trading the Micro E-mini, and if we tally this up, let's see, call it $60 gain on the Micro E-mini. If that were the E-mini, it would have been $600. So that's basically how you trade the market. I generally trade in the morning 9:30 to 11, and again in the an hour in the afternoon. Sometimes, not all the time. But again, Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar, Tuesday, June 9th, 10:54 a.m. I'm going to leave my screen and I'm going to finish this video and post it online. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Look forward to seeing you at my course, Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom. And you have a great day. Thanks.